So I've spent my entire career struggling to explain what I do. And I'm 47 years old, my entire career struggling to figure out how to explain what I do. When I started my business in 2021, I did my best on my website with my marketing copy, with messaging. I endlessly iterated my messaging because every time someone would say, I don't get it, then I felt like I'd failed in my messaging. I realized I need messaging that my target understands, but I can't do that by myself. So I knew I needed help and I tried hiring writers. And what those experiences did for me was discourage me more. It's like I joined a program or I hired someone to help me with my messaging, and the feedback I get is I don't get it, which is just compounding. It's not just that people don't get it, it's that every time someone doesn't get it, that plants another seed of self-doubt. But now I feel confident to talk about what I do. My websites have copy on them that makes sense to people. The work that we've done together has given me a bank of copy and messaging that instead of sitting down and trying to figure out what to say, I just have my bank. I look at it. I pull anything I can from the documents that we've created. It doesn't just appeal to the right people. Like, you help me make courageous choices about language usage that actually excite people even more. Like, the people that I really care about excite those people even more. So that transformation's been pretty huge for me. I get goosebumps. Like, that's how visceral it is. The confidence that I get is because I can look at the bank and then I have a place to start when I'm talking about my business or when I'm trying to communicate with people about my work. And then as soon as I'm telling oh, Chris, I never thought about this until just now. I'm at my best when I'm telling the truth. And that's why marketing and positioning has been not my best in the past, is because it's been manufactured, or it's been made for someone else, or it's been made what it's supposed to be. And when I pull up the work that we do together and I look at it, I can use it because it's the truth. It puts me in that place where I am in my best place to communicate, because I'm just telling the truth that you helped me find the words to say. That makes me really emotional. I never thought about that before, but that is what it is. And it's wild that it takes an external partner to help you tell the truth. And I have amazing collaborators, but just your ability to slice through the fodder and find the truths is just really special. I am on fire. Like, it's really easy for me to look at something and say, I'm not going to start that. I'm going to wait till I can work with Chris. And because I know we'll get it done fast, we'll get it done, more economically than me agonizing over it. So I feel efficiencies from our work together. I feel just that I can do things. I don't love the word confidence, but I just do feel more confident. And that is not something I say lightly, but I do. I feel more confident that I can do what I do, that I can do it by telling the truth, and that the people who need it are going to hear it. My favorite part of the process is when I sit down with you and you open up the file for the first time. So it's the first time my eyes have been on your work, and we start at the top and we work our way down, and in an entire, full website page, I usually cry maybe twice, like, if we're honest. And then because of the recognition, like, because it feels so good to see myself in the words that you write, to see and feel the truth that's there, I get all sorts of goosebumps. And we usually change maybe 2 words max. Like, I think we've had projects where we didn't change a word. What would I say if someone was on the fence about hiring it? Well, if it's my friend, I would say just do it. I mean, it's a no-brainer, because I am like 100%, 150% trusting to refer folks to you, including folks who've had a hard time working with brand writers or copy folks in the past. I think you could probably work successfully with anyone, but there is an incredible value in you being able to work with people who are strategically wired. I don't make a lot of investments in my business because I'm in earning mode, but just that experience of opening up the file and knowing the work is done, is definitely my favorite part. And it's like the best investment I can make in my business.